DIY by Z. Today I'm fixing this condenser fan motor. The wire cut off, the brown wire over here, so I'm gonna have to open this one up and reattach this. This one takes 9mm wrench, and this one has two nuts. This one will be attached to the top of the condenser, and then the bottom one is to hold the fastener for the cover of the back of this fan motor. Try to remove this here. There you go. There you go. So this, I need to remove the insulation, and then this one too, and then I'm gonna join them together. There's a little damage here, so I'm just gonna put a heat shrink here so that it doesn't cause any short. I'm gonna put this one here for insulation. You can also heat this one up without having to solder this wire, and then on top of that I'm gonna put this one too, this heat shrink here, for added insulation. I'm gonna put this over.